Looking for the best video doorbells? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 video doorbells on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Remo Plus, RemoBell's fast responding smart video doorbell camera. Affordable. Two-way communication. Infrared night vision. Wide field of view. Motion sensors and buttons send alerts to your smart device. HD resolution. Simple yet solid. If you need a video doorbell on a budget, this offering from RemoBell's decent video resolution, handy night vision and low price are worth a look. Doesn't have any extra special features. At number 2. Eufy, Video Doorbell 2K. Impressive 2K resolution. Moderately priced. Two-way communication. Wide viewing area. Alerts include facial snapshot. Crystal clear HDR imaging. Premium motion detection. This model's awesome HD footage and human detecting algorithm features are worth your attention. This model must be wired into your home's electrical system. At number 1. Ring, Video Doorbell Elite. Detailed 1080p video. Live two-way audio from your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Clear night vision. Alert sonar to motion. Positioned flush against your wall. Includes 4 faceplates. Most versatile. This video doorbell makes it extremely easy to personally monitor and communicate with anyone who shows up at your doorstep as if you were there in person. A professional may need to install this video doorbell. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.